guys, we're here today with meal prep hacks. So the number one thing that people say is they don't have enough time to cook and prepare healthy food. Well, I'm here to show you how easy it can be. First of all, we're going to start with carbohydrates. I use a rice cooker, but you can get packet rice like the Tilda or Uncle Ben's rice. I just use simple rice cooker. That there will last me a couple of days, but it would last a normal person the majority of the week. And that there will stay in the fridge easy for 5 days in a sealed container, and you can just take away what you need when you need it. At the same time as the rice cooker was cooking, I chopped up and baked some Coomer. Once again, I made a big batch. You can even do 2 batches at once, freeze half and then pull the other half out later in the week. So you've got 2 different carbohydrates right there. Then for some of my clients, we also have them using easy carbohydrate sources like wraps, sandwich thins and tortilla boats. So those are easy things to have in the cupboard to make meal prep easy. So that's your carbohydrates sorted. Now in 30 minutes, I prepped 2 kilos of cooked protein. So chicken breast just went into a hot non-stick pan. I just got the pan hot, put some spray olive oil in, put in my chicken, and then salt and pepper towards the end. Beef, I diced up some onion. I got that sauteed off, and then I added the lean beef, salt, pepper, and minced garlic in the end, and now I've got 2 kilos of cooked protein. That'll last you all week. You can even freeze half and then get it out later in the week. Then all you have to do is simply add vegetables. So we have baby beans and spinach, but you can do, you can cook off some vegetables and then store them in a snap lock container if you prefer to do capsicums and mushrooms, whatever you're into really. For me, this is convenient and easy. Then I've got about 4 or 5 different meal combinations I can rotate through. I add sauces and spices which you guys have on your condiment sheets afterwards, so then you can change the flavor. This here took me realistically an hour to do, and it could feed you for a week and you wouldn't have to worry about what you're going to eat that day.